supposed to taste it because you said you was gonna taste it. Good morning, happy Saturday. It's the next day. I vlogged a little bit yesterday morning, making my breakfast and my tea, and I didn't pick up the camera again. So this the next day. Right now my back hurts, but I'm trying to push on through. But we're about to get the kids situated with their breakfast, and I'm gonna eat me something, and then later on today I'm gonna go to the store because I gotta get a few things for the night. Tonight me and my boyfriend gonna have a date night at the house, so I gotta get a few things for that. And I don't know what else we doing with the kids later on today, but yeah.
The door open, but I want the door open, but my car won't open it.
But he got it closed because he playing basketball, so how can y'all fix this problem? So y'all figure it out. I mean, can he still play? You can't play ball in there. I told him that last night.
She moved to the room?
She cleaning up. You still cleaning up?
Or was she done? When you're done, you go to like a different room because it's basketball.
So what you, hey, what you said? Huh? Alright, so the kids done ate, I done ate. They done cleaned up the house. We all done cleaned up. I done put my clothes on. So we're probably finna get ready to go to the store. I gotta run some errands. I gotta go to a few stores to get the stuff for the night. So I went to Walmart. I went to Walmart and I couldn't find any fresh flowers, so it's alright. I went to Dollar Tree and I got 4 of these, so I will make a table arrangement or a little small centerpiece when I get back home, but this will do. And so now I already dropped the kids off and I came back out to get these flowers, so now I'm about to go home and I don't know, my mother-in-law was there, so spend time with her, then we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Good morning, happy Sunday. I'm up. Last night, me and my boyfriend had the date night. It went well. I enjoyed it. He enjoyed it. We enjoyed each other. This morning, I woke up with a headache. I'm about to get myself together. Eat me something. And then see what I'm gonna do the rest of this day. But I know we're gonna clean up today again. Do laundry. And I don't know what else, but yeah. As hell right now. Hey!
Y'all, they're trying to kill me.
My headache is getting better, but I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. I'm finna fix me some rice and beans. Y'all too loud. Because I'm tired of grits, eggs, and pancakes. I'm tired of it. So I'm gonna make some rice and beans with some salsa and some tortilla chips. And that's gonna be my breakfast because it ain't even morning no more. I don't even know what time it is, but I think it's afternoon, like after 12.
You say you didn't play no more?
I know we had to watch it a lot because Layla wanted to keep watching it.
That is she wanted to keep watching.
can't get all the crayons. Get you some out.
Malachi,
Huh?
I'll slap you.
What? No, you won't.
She said she was smack.
No, you know.
I was just playing.
Most of them.
Yes. The kids are doing their self-care in a long time right now, so we are cooking dinner for them. They're gonna have baked chicken, rice and gravy, corn, and maybe biscuits if we have some, but if we don't, oh well. And because me and my boyfriend don't eat meat, tonight we're gonna eat leftovers. Well, our dinner always be separate from the kids most of the time, but we eating leftovers, which is baked ziti. I had cooked that last night, but
That's what is that? What's a breakfast?
he making up stuff.
We should make him the each of us get a piece of his food and call it the dad tax.
I do it anyway when he walk away. When he walk away, I steal some of his food.
All of that. Everybody get a piece of your food.
That means I'm trying to
And we get a piece of mom's too.
My bad.
You think?
Wait,
What you do with that? Say we got a montage.
Mommy, I'm gonna go when
He can't control nobody to eat my food.
Don't take me in there. I saw Mama head for the night. I'm done for the night.
Today?
Take my milk.
Yeah.
Wait, so you're kind of gonna be. And that's
Look,
it.
look.
Night of the
It was
whole
good close
night.
to not even happen.
Yeah.
Good close.
Hey, little girl.
Why say?
What you gonna end up making? You don't know yet? Well, I will save it for the end. We'll save it for the end.
That's why we look for it.
He did one of our best programs. Love it.
I need a person.
People.
tired. I think it's like 9:30. I got out the bed at 7:30. I didn't feel like being productive. I didn't feel like going out to work. I'm tired. My back hurts. And it's okay. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to get rest. It's okay to not feel like being productive sometimes. So, it is what it is. This is what I'm looking like right now. And I don't care. I'm just not feeling it right now. No, ma'am. Can I get 2 egg and cheese biscuits?
2 egg and cheese biscuits, what else for you?
And 2 orders of hash browns.
Can I get 2 of you?
That's all.
That's all.
Good morning. Now this is a better good morning of me saying, it's a better way of me saying good morning. It's probably about 10:30 now, but I went out and I got me some coffee and I didn't feel like cooking breakfast. I didn't feel like eating nothing in that house. So I went to McDonald's and I got me and my boyfriend 2 egg and cheese biscuits and some hash browns. He's calling me now. And some hash browns, but I got up this morning at 7:30. I was tired. My back was hurt. I kind of felt the headache coming on, so I laid back down on the couch. And I was supposed to get up and work on me, exercise, get me together. I didn't feel like doing none of that. And I told myself, it's okay. Like, I try to push myself to do better, but the days where I feel like I really don't have the energy or whatever, it's okay. Like, my life is not perfect. My mornings are not perfect. I ain't trying to be perfect. It is what it is. But, in a few, I'm about to get ready to go to take my son to his appointment, and then I'll probably work some this afternoon. And, now I feel my headache coming back on. After his appointment, I'll probably work a little bit this afternoon, and then I might take the kids to the library today to check out them a new book. Yesterday, I took my son to the library for the first time to the Lego club that they had, and he actually enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, and he was so excited. He had so much fun. I didn't take the rest of my kids because they don't like Legos or whatever, but I took Z, and I'm glad that I did because he had fun. But I'll take Malachi and Nasir today so they can get them some more library books for homeschool. And then after that, I don't know what I'm doing after all that. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait for the lady to come on. Okay, now you can go. Morning. Alright, so it's later on in the evening now, and I think it's about 7:50. I went out after my son's appointment. After my son's appointment, I went out and did a few orders for Instacart, and then me and the kids went to the library, and I let them check out some new books, and then I came back home, and my head has been hurting on and off today. It's not been like a terrible headache, but kind of like a mild headache. That, and I've been kind of feeling like low energy. I haven't been super tired, but my energy is low, and my energy is low, and I don't like it. It slows me down from doing things that I want to do or need to do. But I laid down for a little while. I didn't take a nap, but I rested my body, I rested my eyes, just tried to be still for a little while to help my head, and drink some water, and that did help. But now I'm about to get dinner started. But before I laid down, I had planned on reading my book, but I didn't do that, and I had planned to edit my videos, but I just didn't have the energy to do it, so I wasn't gonna make myself do it. So I might do some tomorrow, but then again, tomorrow I do plan on washing my hair and doing my hair. And if I do all that tomorrow, then I won't have time or the energy to edit my video. So it might be Friday before I can get to it, but I don't know. I just know it wasn't gonna be today. Just got out the shower. I'm about to make me some tea for the night, lay down and read for the rest of the night, and yeah, get some rest. Alright, this is why it's so hard for me to vlog and to record in my house, because there's always a TV on with these kids. Like, TV on loud. Whatever. Another TV.